Hello everyone, it's Datrina from the Alluring Bead Boutique. For those of you who don't know me, I've added my design channel on YouTube for the past 3 or so years. And what we do here is we design jewelry. We do a lot of bead weaving. We do some wire working. We're going to get into a little bit more like metal smithing and some polymer clay in the coming months. I also have a blog called the alluringbeadboutique.com. And over there I have patterns and blog tutorials, lots of projects in written form, things like that. I basically have recently received the option to do memberships on my YouTube channel, and I've decided I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of that. During the past year, about a year and a half or so, I've been doing a lot of writing, and I've fallen really far behind on getting actual written patterns done. So I've decided, as part of my membership channel, what I'm going to do is do my patterns in the video form. So if you decide to become a member to the alluringboutique.com or here on YouTube, I'm sorry, what we're going to do is we're going to just make a lot of projects. There will be a wide variety of bead weaving, wire working, some light metal smithing, just all kinds of fun things that you can do if you're interested in making your own jewelry, or if you're interested in starting your own little jewelry business or expanding your current business. I also do a lot of teaching on starting your own jewelry business. This year, I've got a really good blog tutorial series called, Starting Your Own Jewelry Business that you guys can check out. But in the coming months, we're going to be doing a lot more with the actual designing of your own website, how to write great product descriptions, how to take good pictures of your products, and incorporate that all online. There's going to be a lot of discussion on where's the best place to sell jewelry, how to go about learning to market your jewelry, how to set up an email mailing list, starting your own newsletter, all kinds of things that we're going to cover. Not necessarily on the membership channel, but as part of my overall scope of things on the Alluring Bead Boutique. Now, I also have been thinking a lot lately about how my material sometimes just seems like really technical. So as part of the membership channel, it's going to be a lot less formal. I would encourage people to participate. I have the emojis, the chats, the badges, all that stuff set up already. And I'm going to be doing some live streams for the membership channel in which you guys can really participate right as the action is going on, quote unquote. And I look forward to that. It's going to be a little bit before I'm actually set up for all that. But in the meantime, I want you to know that I've got plenty of great content coming, both free and for members. And I want you to stay tuned. But I would encourage you to sign up for my membership, one tier of my membership, to help support all of the work that we do at the alluringbeadboutique.com and here on YouTube, as well as all the other social media avenues. It just helps me to continue with the type of business that I have chosen for myself, which is mostly instruction and teaching you guys how to do cool new things. All right, so that is it for my membership video. I hope you guys will subscribe and join one of my membership tiers, and we'll have a lot of fun in the coming months. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.